Hey everyone, welcome to Sincerely Creative Mom. Today we're going to use some of those things that I've purchased from Hobby Lobby on a decent scale, sale. A lot of these are so pretty. They're kind of goldish, champagne-ish, but also kind of white, berry, flocked, glittered. They're gorgeous. And I've always wanted to try this, so it turned out pretty good, or figured I would make a video for you so you can see. I have several of them. We'll count as we go along, but we're going to just add these in all the way around just to make a really fun, whimsical, flowy. It's going to move a lot in that wind, round wreath. So I'm just going to go ahead. You could use one of these glue pots, or of course you could use your glue gun. My glue gun wasn't hot enough when I started, although I could turn it on for now. And all I did, these were from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 whole retail. I ended up getting them 80% off, so they were pretty cheap. 80 cents isn't bad. Was it 80 cents? $1? $1. And I'm just going to slide them in. So that they're kind of touching each other. So nice glob of glue here. And slide it in. So working with the grapevine makes it really easy to do this sort of thing. With 1, 2, 3. Nice, good glob of glue. Before it dries, you can pull it out a little bit. Keep burning myself. Four. Once it's in, we'll be able to move those. There you go. So the stick was pretty stiff at first, and so I kind of curved it so that it would stay kind of with the flow of this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to work on number 5 here. Nice glob of glue. Just kind of spacing it with my eyeballs. 5. 6. And then wherever it looks like we have an open spot, like if I didn't space it too perfect, that's where we're going to put our bow. So I'm just going to curve that kind of so it goes along with the grapevine. Just slide it in. So here's what it looks like at first. I'm just going to kind of bend it a little bit so it goes with the grapevine. Nice circle. Pull these all out, every single one. Touch them, bend them, move them. Give them some life. And then we're going to lift this one up. Start to put these underneath here, and then I think we'll have this one and then one more. I think that will be good to go. And then you have a nice winter berry, beautiful Actually doesn't really need it over here, does it? Let's see. I'll put one more in over here, I think. We have two more. So again, $4.99. I ended up getting them 90% off. So it's 50 cents. Now even at $2.50 a piece, if I was making this wreath, it would be just perfect. Let's slide this one in over here. Could have put them a little bit closer together. Slide it in. Okay, so it looks like we have the most bare spot kind of over here. So I'm going to put our bow right in there. And I had one piece left over from something else, so you know what? I'm just going to put this, sorry about that, put this in there as well. So if you had leftover pieces that would match, totally put them in. Just going to slide it in there. So for our bow, we're going to use a ribbon from Sam's Club, actually. And it was this leopard kind of gold, champagne-y, I don't know, it's cute. It's a cute print. So we're going to make one long tail. And we're going to start with, let's zoom you in here just a little bit. We're going to start with maybe a 6-inch loop, and we're going to go a little bit out from there. So we're going to do 2 loops at 6 inches. 1, twist, loop, 2, gather, twist, loop, pinch, twist, loop, and then we're going to do 3 a little bit bigger, just a little bit, not a lot, so maybe like a finger bigger, pinch, twist, loop. These berries are so pretty and they're very glittery, but they're so pretty. 1, twist, loop, pinch, twist, loop. So one thing, I have super bad carpal tunnel. So what I do is I'll pinch, twist, loop each layer, and then I'll set it down, kind of tie it off and then set it down. Is that 3? Yeah, that's 3. Okay, so I'm going to hold on to that. See, that whole time I held on to it, that center is pretty tight. Good to go. So I'm just going to flip that over. Hold on to that for a second. I'll cut this off. And then just to soften it up a little tiny bit, I'm going to add in this white. And we're just going to do measure. I'm going to do one. Nope, I'm not going to use that piece. Must have been something I cut off for something else. One center loop. Nice and soft. There, twist loop. Just going to make sure that this loop is going to complement and be a good size against that last one, so it's a little bit smaller. Pinch, twist, loop. These are going to be 2 loops. Pinch, twist, loop, pinch, twist, loop, and then tail. So the supplies for this, the links will be in the description. And I'm just going to take this off, add it right to the top, and then it is a brown pipe cleaner and we have white on the top, but that's okay. Our that center loop is going to do its job, and it's going to hide that pipe cleaner for us. Twist, twist, twist a couple times, and just to make sure that bow isn't coming out of there. Okay, so I'm going to pull it down. We're going to curl that one nice and cute. Same goes here. We're going to pull it down and we're going to end up curling it once it's inside. See? Now you see the pipe cleaner? Now you don't. You could use zip ties if you wish. Put it right up there. I'm going to take those pipe cleaners and push it right through, pull them right through that grapevine. So it comes right through it. So I don't want to go on the outside or the inside of the ring of the actual grapevine, because I don't want to see those pipe cleaners from the, from the side of the wreath. You have these really pretty, fancy berries. I don't want to see a pipe cleaner through there. I just want to see that bow. Tie this off on the back and then hide it underneath. So I'm going to tie it and then hide it right underneath there so that that pointy part doesn't, go against your door or your customer's door. So here's our down. Move it just kind of like this. Make sure these come down with it. We'll curl those in a second. Just going to fluff these from the bottom to the top. Three longer, 2 shorter. Now, if you have made your loops, your pipe cleaner nice and tight, you don't have very much to worry about when you're fluffing your bow. They should stay right in place. There we go, just like that. Super cute. Real nice and easy. Super quick. And then I love this look. I don't know how you feel about it, but I love this look. I'm just going to dovetail this end, so I'm going to fold it, cut on the fold up towards the edge. So it makes that nice little, perfect little V shape. And then I'm just going to kind of curl it. It looks so cute. Super cute when it falls. Same thing on this side. And then for this, I'm not going to necessarily cut them, just kind of really give them, it's like a cotton, it's just adorable, just super, super cute. And that's it. We had a small 14-inch grapevine. We added, I don't remember how many of those clusters of berries, but as many as you can. You can put them in closer, or you can put them in a little bit further apart. I wouldn't put them in too much further apart, because then you see more of that grapevine, and you want to not cover it up completely, because it's kind of that look, like a rustic glam kind of thing. But, you know, if you put more in, you'd see less of it, if that's what you prefer. That is all we have. I hope you've subscribed to our page here on YouTube or on all of the other platforms. You can see all those links in the description. If you're watching from any other platform, welcome, and make sure you follow us in all places. Melissa, or AKA Coach Mel, signing off from Sincerely Creative Mom. Have a wonderful day.